Yeah.
Let me
The
see.
link, open it.
You edited your appearance?
What do I look like?
No. It said.
Ha!
But I didn't do anything. Yeah, look, I'm opening this. Again, look. Let me see. Then press on the pressure plates.
I download the cat.
Okay. Ay! Hindi, bawal yan, bawal yan, bawal yan.
I want
Hindi yan pang baby.
it.
It says,
Why does everything look fake again?
it's sabi,
Look.
Si Gia, download the uni.
kasi,
Gray, why does it look fake? Why does everything look fake? Do you add it up in appearance or mod?
No.
I want
Then why does it look so ugly? This is real Minecraft, dude.
okay.
oh, kailangan daw mag-delete ng mga games.
Guys, this is real Minecraft, okay?
For me, I don't have it.
One delete game.
Hindi yan mag-work. Madaming games kailangan may delete. Lahat ng games mo daw.
Okay, let's go back on the bridge.
Wait.
Get on the bridge.
I'm gonna make the trading hall.
Yes.
Yeah.
I got.
Yeah.
Hello. Oh my goodness.
I am building it, right? I don't have any more wood.
At least I have
Please
wood.
get some wood. Come on with me.
Dude, you can see wood everywhere.
Would you hold me tight and not let go?
Same
Symphony.
I have no more wood. Ow.
I just wanna be part of your symphony.
Okay, let's find a tall tree. A tall tree. Let's find a tall tree. Like a tall one. Tall boy.
Ha!
Hindi na.
Download ko na.
Ay, daw.
Hindi, delete ko na nga eh.
Ano ba kasi ang i-delete mo? Ano ba kasi download mo? Pag ikaw nagkaroon ng virus ha, ang virus dyan lang yan sa cellphone forever.
I think this looks like the old Minecraft.
For you?
Yes. It
I don't
feels.
know, you check yours. Do you have your own? For me, I
Bakit
don't
download ka?
kasi gusto ko lang tignan. And, check.
Gusto ko tingnan din.
Sinisita din.
Gusto ko din na tingnan.
Look, oh, mine doesn't have it. I think you have something.
No, I don't not have a mod.
Check your settings.
Iba na lang dito yung game. Iba na
Oh,
lang.
Tay, sige, mag-download ng random game.
Yeah.
Mag-download sige ng random game.
Hindi cat.
Bawal pa rin.
But they do look old, like came from the 1980s. Right, Gray?
What game?
Mine.
I'm gonna go back to the video.
Oh my goodness, Gray, do you have any wood or any more blocks?
This is looking good.
Let me see. Let me see on your phone.
I made something. I made the road. Look, does it look curved?
Wait,
Like a boomerang? Like a
wait.
ball?
I had 2 XP. Like a lot of XP in this.
Look, what happened? I don't know. And me, same. Look, Ken, you see it? Does it look curved like a bow? Have you? I saw something here. It was like broken. My
Yes.
game is lagging. Okay, let's check. No, it's not on add-ons. Oh, you forgot about the scrolling mechanism? Resource packs.
Dapat na
Global.
Okay, only one resource packs. Active one. My breath. Active one. I don't know.
Si Kuya, malapit ko ng tanungin yan, anak. Iipon ko lang. Kasi mapapalo ko na yan. Yun yung totoo.
Ayaw ko nga sinipalo.
Hintayin mo lang kasi si Kuya may paso kaya pamatis ko.
Yun.
Yes.
3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2,
Dude, my game's lagging.
Same.
No, like my PC.
Like mine like glitches ticks per second thing.
Look what's happening.
Oh, but for me, you're falling. Wait, ow.
Wait, was I walking on air?
No, you did like close to it. This is good.
I got 19 wood.
19 logs or 19 oak logs?
Oak logs. Oh, I'm
Oak
making.
planks, I mean.
What? I have one stack again. Oh, I'm going to fall before I die.
I get out of the way. Hey, no, that's enough. That's too big. That's too big. No, get rid of that. That's enough.
That's
enough.
mine.
That's enough, Ken. That's enough.
My game is lagging.
The only thing we need to craft is trapdoors and slabs. So I'm gonna make a couple of slabs, okay, and one trapdoor. But we need 3 trapdoors. That's fine.
Okay, that's good. And also lots of what's it called again?
What is it?
Lots of
Then we create like a wall here.
like this. Lots of chests.
1, 2, 3, 4, and then
Two,
we...
just 4 chests.
No. This is disgusting. This is a normal wall. Disgusting. No, not like that, man.
Like this. Okay,
No,
gray.
no. Wait.
Like this, gray.
Wait.
Like you're going to buy stuff in the store.
Wait. No, don't put the chest yet. Pick them up first.
Come on.
We're gonna
My
craft
game
some.
is lagging.
Pick them up first.
Like my PC.
Me too. Oh wait. It's because I don't have any.
This is
Okay.
called the shop and plaza.
Get rid of it. Okay.
Okay, that's just need one. Just need one. Okay, good. Gray. Don't add it.
No, because so not tons of people can be here. 3. Oh, yes, this is 1, 2, 3.
This is going to be the line, okay?
1, 2, 3. What did I do?
Trading plaza. Okay. I'm going to add a second set of chests. That's why it's called the Trading Plaza X Shop.
What should I do with this? Like just a sitting place like a security guard.
No, like,
Security guard.
okay, got
And they can jump over it. Like a person like, I want candy now! Give me candy! Like that.
lock shop.
But you can put like signs, right? Or like something. Or
Okay, let's get
like what
let's
how
get
do you
all
craft
of our items that are
how
not
do
in
you
use.
craft, like,
So-
item frames. How do you craft it? Item. How do you craft it? I do not have leather. Do you have leather?
I don't know.
Check your inventory.
Check the shop.
You don't have. And I need six.
Bring creeper. Water, water, water.
Almost
Where is it? The
died.
creeper.
I almost died by a
Uh-oh,
creeper.
uh-oh. Oh my god, that scared me. The creeper almost exploded on me. Hey guys, explode me. Explode me, please. Explode me, please. I want him to explode me. Ow. Yay, he exploded.
Okay, now there's no creepers.
I want to kill me. Kill me, please. I only have 2 hearts left. Please. Please. Please.
Wait. Wait.
Oh, you miss. There you go, thank you.
One hit left. Just one hit.
I'm gonna check our chest. Our chest barely has anything.
Okay, how about my chest? Check my chest.
I need the map. I need the sticks. I need dirt. I need that.
Okay, I'm going to check my other chest, which is full of items. Okay? Okay, I got
have
4
18
leather.
I forgot.
I got 4 leather.
I actually have 18
Great, come on, I
children.
have 4 leather.
Give me it now.
I'm going to get all of this.
Gray, hanapin mo nga yung
For the shop.
charger. I-charge mo yung power bank ko.
Saka yung cellphone ko.
Where inside?
Kuya ka, Ella. Ning, 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 ning. Ning, 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 ning. Ning, 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 ning. Ning, 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 ning.
Give me the leather.
It's
Sa baba.
it's in the chest.
Wait. What chest?
The chest that is in my home.
Kasabay mo siya bukas. Hindi ko alam yung Facebook mo. Wala akong text.
Okay.
No, that's the shop. What? Girl. Yes. Mother.
Listen.
Oh, ito nanay.
Guys, wait. Pause.